Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve. You can change player number on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve, you can change number of player on the application of FIFA Mobile. You should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, we'll search about this window of FIFA Mobile. Then this list of app info, you will enter the first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of problems or issues on your application, so then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.